In this video, we will show how to use V-Ray Preview, also known as V-Ray Real-Time Ray Trace Rendering. Using V-Ray Preview goes hand in hand with preparing a 3D garment for ray trace rendering. If you want to refresh your knowledge about ray trace rendering, follow the link to the previous lesson or click one of the suggested links in the Help Center. To show V-Ray Preview in action, we'll find a file and load a snapshot. We click the camera icon on the 3D window toolbar to open the V-Ray Ray Trace Rendering Preview window. The built-in integration with V-Ray allows us to generate ray trace renders in real time. In other words, a preview of what a render will look like. Changes made in the 3D window are reflected automatically in the render window. The preview is especially helpful when using fur materials, but also when adding materials with a displacement map, like artworks and seams, as displacement effect is only visible when using ray trace. As an example, let's add a raw edge effect with a fur function to the bucket hat. Note that we can only see the fur effect in the V-Ray Preview window. As another example, let's add artwork and apply the embroidery execution to it. Note that the artwork execution effect is more visible in the V-Ray Preview window, as we can see the height and depths of the embroidered artwork. Now, let's go ahead and adjust the artwork execution parameters to our wishes. As well as providing a better representation of the rendered output at an earlier stage, the V-Ray Preview window can display environmental settings such as HDRI lighting and backgrounds. When the Show Background Image option is cleared, the environment as configured is displayed. There is also an option to pause and resume the rendering process. The more time we allow for the render process, the better quality the rendered image is. Once happy with the results, there is an option to save the render as an image. Note that a higher quality outcome may be achieved by ray trace rendering the garment than by saving the preview image. In this video, you've learned how to V-Ray Preview. For more information, check out the Browseware Help Center.